Hello everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to get a missing toolbar in Illustrator. First open the Illustrator, then create a document. In the left side, here we cannot get all tools and some tool missing. If we get all tools, then click on the three dot option. Here we get all tools. If we add tools from the toolbar, just drag and drop. Now we add missing tool from the toolbar. Also, if you want to add all tools from the toolbar, then click on the corner icon. Here we see basic checkmark. Convert basic to advanced. Here we get all tools from the toolbar. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our graphics solution tricks channel and click on the bell icon for more updates.